Living a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another styling video. Today I'm going to be doing a haul and an unboxing. As y'all can see, I have bags and boxes of stuff, and this isn't even all of it. Whew. Okay, y'all, I had to go get the rest of my stuff because I realized some of this stuff matches with that stuff, so I guess we're doing this. This is my band shoes that I ordered my second box to match some of the Fashion Nova outfits and one of my jackets that I got from Amazon. I don't even remember what I bought. I just got so much stuff, I lost track of what I got. It's Black Friday sale. Really did a number on me, and I really did a number on it. Just saying. This is what it's looking like. Here is the other batch of stuff. I really can't put any order to it because I have so much stuff. So there's that. All right, so first I have this tie-dye marble shirt, and I love me a good graphic tee. This shirt is so cute, and my favorite part about it is that it has so many colors, so it makes it that much easier for you to style. You can wear yellow shoes with it. You can pull any of these colors and your shoes can be like a combination of these colors. That will be so fire. I got it in a size large. So let's see how it fits. Y'all, this shirt is so cute. Fashion Nova did that big one on this one. It fits perfectly. I usually get all of my shirts in a size large. If I get it in a medium, it'll fit perfectly, but I like it to be a little loose. I'm excited to wear it. I'm excited to put my shoes on with it. A good graphic tee and some sneakers when your shoes just complement your shirt. Oh my gosh, that is fire. That is my example of an ideal outfit. I absolutely love it when the sneakers match the shirt. Oh. I would either wear this shirt with these shoes because the red, black, and the blue hints off of the picture in the shirt, or I would wear it with these yellow shoes. The yellow marble, it'll really bring that out. These shoes were customized by Clay's Customs. Let me know which one you think really sets this shirt off and pulls the look together. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Cami_Coco so you can see how I styled it. Next, I have this dark green and yellow shirt from Fashion Nova. It says GOAT at the top, and then at the bottom, it has this little diamond and it says greatest of all time. It is so cute. I like the drip in the front from GOAT, and I like how it drips in the back. It just gives it like this little pop. And then the fact that the shirt is like dark green instead of it being black. So it gives it a good little color scheme. I like the colorway. This is what the shirt looks like on. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. It is cuter than the picture. It's cuter than I thought it would be. It fits very nicely. Again, I got this in a size large because I like my shirts to be a little big. It looks so cute. They got the drip, the diamond. Now with this shirt, I would definitely wear the yellow shoes. I love this combination together. So here are the yellow pants from Fashion Nova, and these are so cute. They're super stretchy. They're long. I have to have a pair of pants in every color. So when Fashion Nova had the Black Friday sale, I literally got on there yellow, green, red, whatever color I could find, I literally got them. These, I got them in a size 15. I usually get my pants in a 1X just so I know that they fit. But I got these in a 15, took a chance, and they fit to the T. They're super cute and fitted. They are stretchy, but I definitely would have sized up because I feel like if I wash these pants and dry them once, it's over. But I would say definitely get your size. They will stretch. I wouldn't say go down a size and I wouldn't say go up a size, but they are definitely super cute. A staple in your fashion wardrobe. definitely a must-have. And they're yellow. I mean, come on, where are you finding yellow pants? These are just so cute. They definitely hug your body. And I'm a tall girl. I'm 5'7.5", 5'8", and they go all the way down to my ankle. So next are these jeans, and I am not gonna lie to you, I got a size 15 like I did in all of the other pants, but these, it definitely looks like I'm gonna have to do a magic trick to get in these. So here's to hoping magic works. Whew. All right, y'all, I feel like I gotta work out, and I probably dropped 5 pounds trying to put these on. First things first, get your size up in these pants, because these are tight. I'm holding my breath. Whew, have mercy. I squeezed in them. They are cute for sure. I like the rips. I like how it's tan and it's not white. The colors, like the color of the actual jeans, are really cute. Back. But if I'm gonna tell you once, I'm gonna tell you twice. Get your size, or you're gonna be walking around like a stuffed sardine, just at attention. Don't let nothing loose. Don't eat nothing. Don't breathe too hard, because you're going to be busting out of them in 2.2 -250 seconds. So definitely size up in these pants. I'm going to have to take these back, switch them out, because I'm doing too much talking in these pants. All right, y'all, I'm going to cut this off. All right, next I have these shoes from Vans, and I absolutely love Vans. I am not going to lie to you. I am obsessed with Vans. I have Vans in all kind of colors. I just ordered five different styles of Vans. I wear size 11, so I got these shoes in a size 11, and they fit so good. I absolutely love them. I have a little extra space. I actually wear a 10.5, but I like my shoes to have a little extra space in them. And even with an 11, these shoes fit perfectly. So I always get 11 in all of my shoes, and these shoes are so cute. Like, you can literally wear them with anything that is red and white, and it will set it off. I like the little, what is like a fire or lightning bolt on the side. It like really brings a unique element to the shoes. So next is this Marvel Spider-Man shirt. Okay, and this is what it looks like on. It is a really cute shirt. I absolutely love the colors. Y'all know I like shirts with a lot of colors in it, so I can pull it out with my shoes, but I like this shirt a lot. I got the shirt in the size large, like I got all of the other shirts, but I definitely would have sized down on the shirt. I think it's a little big, so it's definitely cute. You can definitely style it. You can put a lot of different things with it. This shirt, I would definitely, I'm getting so excited already. I would definitely either wear these red and white Vans or my yellow Clays Customs. I would wear the yellow because it has the yellow in the top of the shirt, bringing like a pop of color. But these red and white ones also like pull out the majority of the colors in the shirt, like the red and white. So you can either do a pop of color with the yellow or the red and white ones. They are both fire. So I don't know which one I would wear. Comment down below, which one would you guys wear? Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you tune into part 2 to see the rest of the items in the haul, and let me know which one was your favorite. Until next time.